this is going to be my honest review on this item because we're jumping into the holidays and I need a little bit of sparkle, pizzazz, some woo, some wah, you know what I mean? Like, I need my house to look jammin'. So with these LED amazing lights, you guys, it's gonna bring my house up to top tier. Look at that. It's packaged so well. It even has its own app, music, and a timer. Oh my gosh, and I gotta figure out what exactly is that, but 32 feet, 0.8, and they have different square footage, but you can design whatever. So like I could put my name, I could say hi, I could say good vibes, I could spell something. You'll put like a little Christmas tree like they did on the box. But I mean, I could have so much fun with this, do a Nike swoosh. You know, this is gonna be like a standout. Like my house is gonna just like, wow. So in this video, I'll be installing it, going over every little detail and telling you guys what other items this wonderful company has to offer as well. And I have something else that I got that I have to show you guys too. And I just can't believe that I got so many great things. So you don't have to figure out if it works or not. Like, I'm gonna tell you right here. Like, I'm gonna tell you everything. What I don't like about it, what I do like about it, and what you need to know about it. So if that sounds interesting, give this video a thumbs up already and let's jump into it. Let's unbox this. I do want to tell you guys, this is another Amazon findings. I love shopping on Amazon. I'm just ripping the little tape. This is really nice packaging. Like the quality of the box is good cardboard. It's not like lightweight. And I like that they put a box in the box with the stuffing, and I don't see no scars, no damage to the actual box. So it successfully got to me right in time. Wow. Oh, whoa. These are way wider than what I expect. And they have like a gooey little rubbery touch to them. This is heavy. Oh my gosh. This is some good stuff. Oh, look at this. They actually wrap it so it won't like fall out of place with this like Velcro little like zip tie Velcro. Wow. This is really nice, you guys. Everything I need is in here. Oh, wow. It's a lot of little pieces. We're gonna get to work. And this is what I meant. Like all these, and then these to stick it in the ground too. Remote control, 2 bags of steaks. That's a lot of steaks. I think this one's slightly smaller. This one's a little bit bigger, but that's a lot. And a very easy to read, like highly detailed booklet. This is what catches my attention every time, because when they show colored pictures and the paper is good quality, I know they really like represent their items really well. So this is really good manual book. Okay, screws, so I don't have to go to Home Depot. It's all in there. I'm feeling that. Oh, look at this plug. It's so high end. Nice quality wiring, and the button's very nice and big. You can definitely see that. This is definitely waterproof. It's gonna hold up for the long haul. I could just tell how it's well made. Highly impressed about that. Definitely bonus points in the packaging, how they packaged everything. Okay, it's another one just in case I want to separate them too. Like, because I think it's detachable and nothing else hiding in the box. Okay, that was fast shipping. You know it's always fast shipping when you work with Amazon. I mean, I got it less than 2 days or maybe even less than that because it was following on a weekday. Close to Halloween as well. This one, I can't wait to use it. This is going to be indoor. They're like separate little lights that does this really cool effect, and you can put them in different angles and different shapes and pointing it behind plants or whatever and have a cool effect. I heard so much great things about this, and I'm so happy I got my hands on it because look at everything else it can do. I could also put this one on a timer, sync it on a timer, put it on an app, and it has a cool and warming kind of sense of lights, and it's voice control. Turn on, turn off, turn on. Like, and I could attach it to my Google apps and all that. Like, I am loving this. Group controller, like, Goodwill packaging. So let's get into it. Let's figure what this thing. Oh yeah, the length of this one is only 72 feet, 0.2. the light. So that means the light can reach up to that far. 72 feet, 0.2. That's interesting. We'll figure that out later. But that's what it said on the box. Ooh, this one's packaged really well with the logo all on there. And they're in like separate little boxes. And this one's way more lightweight. It's not as heavy as the other one. I love doing product review because you never know how well the product is, you know? And I'm saving your guys' time, like by doing this product review for you. Another remote control. I wonder if I could sync this remote control to the other one too, or they all have to be separate remote controls. The button is nice and big, just like it was on the other one. And look at all these great screws. And I'm getting my own cord. Brilliant. The price is priced really right. There it is right there, you guys. And you can get more, like if you don't want like this amount of lights, you can actually get more. I just wanted like a little bit because my walls in my house is not that big. So, okay. So these are the actual lights itself, and they're nice and small. They're not like too big and bulky. Okay, there they are. And it's a lot of cord, and it's sticky underneath them, and they're lightweight. So we're just gonna have some fun with this. This is gonna be great. Time to get that neon, light up that house. All right, for these smart walls from Amazon, you guys, this little piece slides off, and you see that right there? You can put like multiple screws in there to hold it in place if you want it in a firm location. They do come with like little foam stickies that will last for a short period of time, you know, if you want to play around and just do something temporary and get an idea of placement. The only thing is you can't move the actual light around on the cord. I thought that would be really a cool, unique feature. So I can like even out, you know, measure it all out. But the really great, amazing thing is the lights have a tilt. So they can like turn in different directions. And you're going to see that in the video that I'm going to play with the turning of them and stuff. I'm going to show you guys 3 different really unique, cool ways to where these LED wall lights, you know, like how to showcase them. So this is the second way. Now this is really cool if you don't want to show these big, you know, these lights and stuff, so that you can hide them, and I could push like a couch against that wall, or even a fish tank would really cool against that wall, you know, and then things would just light up on the whole entire wall. But you see how you could trigger some going down, some going up, and the lights come forward. So now in this one, this is where I decided to keep it at, because it looks so amazing around the window, peeking out around the curtain, because I didn't like seeing the cord. So I like that it was just showing just a little bit. And I had no idea that this was so sensitive to sound. I thought that was so amazing how like anytime we talk or the TV was on, the lights were moving with the sound. I thought that was incredible. I'm loving this like really soft gold tone. As you see how my house is decorated, it really complements the color, and it's like a halo around me, right? So I was like, ooh. But I'm so excited to show you all these great lights, you guys. I think this will be something really fun to use, not only around the TV or in the living room. I mean, you could put this in your kids' room. You can put this in the hallway. You could just move it around, and it's not like permanent, like it has to stay there. But it just really makes it live. I have young kids, and they just love it. It's like a straight club. Now, let's go into this other set of box of lights. Now, I'm really excited about this because when I opened this box, you guys, it just made me want to dance, because the quality of this was unmarkable. I was like, I'm going to have to just really put this inside. I feel like somebody might steal it off my house if I put it outside. And it says it's for outdoors, but when you see this, how it's so well designed, I was like, no, this puppy's going in the house. I'm not going to have nobody try to steal this. This is just really nice. This is the one that I was telling you guys you can do a high or a Christmas tree or the Nike swoosh. But I'm going to just do a really cool design around the TV and around my wood frame of the wall, you know, to give it a really unique feel and give it my own touch. Extremely easy to install these lights, you guys. Like, it's this little plastic gripper that you just need one little screw, and you just automatically just screw it into place, and it just clips and hold on to it, like kind of like a clip for your hair, you know. And you just hold it right in place, and you just make sure you just pull it in between there, and then voila. So it was really super easy to install, but it was just so much fun. I was like, oh man, I could do so many amazing designs with this one. So I was really being careful and really thinking it over as I was doing this. I was thinking of the design as well. I haven't really plotted out a design. I was like, oh, once I put it on the wall, I can like move it around and then really figure it out. I think interior design and just making your home feel special to you in your own unique way makes a really big difference on your mood and just how you do things in your home, you know? So just make for sure you get all the right things so you can feel special in your own privacy. You know, you can make your home feel like you or how you feel inside, you know? So in my home, I like having a lot of plants, a lot of things on the walls you see. I like very unique, but I'm still trying to be simplicity. I'm trying to keep things like very minimum. But then another half of me that I'm a Gemini is like, oh no, I need this on the wall. I need that. So if you do look around my like living room, you're going to see some unique things. Like I have 2 different types of texture of curtains. I decided to do white on that wall because I wanted to keep that wall nice and light. And look at my daughter just high on sugar right now. Like they're just having a blast. I'm not paying attention to them and it's bothering them. That's why they're all up in the camera. So I am going to speed this up some because I want you guys to see the design. All right. So I'm like halfway there with the design, but wait till you see all the different amazing colors and the movements, every unique thing that this LED light can do for your home or wherever you place it at. I hope this video is very entertaining. My kids just jumping in the screen. I will tell you, it was very fun doing this video, and looking at the outcome just blows me away. I'm loving all the colors. I would love to hear what color really shocks you the most. Please leave comments, share this video with friends and family if you know they're into things like this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.